Need to reduce your video file size without losing quality? Here's how to compress your videos efficiently and effectively. Open Google Chrome browser. Search in the tab Handbrake. Click Enter the website of it. Click on Download, *6464-bit for Windows Open. The installation software and click Next. Click on Next, then Install, and click on Finish. Search for it in the search menu, then open it. Click on File, then open the video to compress it. As you can see, it goes and scans it when you hit Open. And since we're in the Handbrake, there are a few important settings that you should go ahead and adjust. To begin, start at the top. From here, you can adjust the preset. I personally use 1080p by 30, but you can click on it to change it to any of these. As you can see, there are many options, so I personally keep things fairly basic, but you could go ahead and do something fancy, which is still really impressive, and it's all going to vary a little bit depending on the settings you use, and as well as the video clip you're actually going compressing. And just to add in as well, the quality looks absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.